As part of Quaker's ongoing expansion and cutting-edge modernization strategy, we continue to leverage innovation and technology at our glass plant to ensure the highest quality products while meeting the ever-growing demand for Quaker windows and doors. Quaker processes over 50,000 pounds of glass on an average day, with each glass pallet weighing as much as 10,000 pounds and sheets of glass as big as 12 feet by 8 feet in size. As these jumbo glass pallets are received, computer-controlled robotics identify the glass that needs to be cut for that shift based on the size, type, and coating each pallet contains. A fully automated robot then moves along a gantry system and uses 12 powerful suction cups to select and secure a new piece of glass. The glass is then transported and placed onto one of Quaker's 2 state-of-the-art glass optimization and cutting units. Each glass cutting system is computer controlled to optimize the yield for each sheet of glass. These high-speed units can cut any size or shape while minimizing waste. Each newly cut pane of glass is then scanned and placed onto racks that will either move onto the tempering process or head directly into a staging area to become an insulated glass unit. Excess glass left by the cutting process drops into a recycling system that will crush and move the glass via a conveyor belt to a holding silo, where it will later be picked up for recycling. The newly cut panes of glass now move to one of Quaker's 3 vertical high-speed insulated glass lines. These automated lines can produce an insulated glass unit in a fraction of the time of traditional horizontal systems. Panes of glass are set onto the conveyor in pairs, which first washes each pane to remove all dust, oil, and fingerprints from the glass surface. Once clean, the glass panes are separated into 2 parallel conveyors. A robot then applies a warm edge, non-metallic spacer onto what will be the outside pane of glass. Next, the pane with the applied spacer moves to the mutton station, where computer-controlled lasers precisely mark where any internal grids need to be positioned and locked in place. Once the muttons are positioned, both panes move into the sealing and gas chamber, where they are pressure sealed and injected with argon gas, creating an airtight insulated glass unit. The new IG unit then moves to the etching station, where the Quaker order number and line item is laser etched into the top corner of the glass. The IG unit then has a secondary seal applied to complete the insulating process. This double seal process ensures the long-lasting performance of each window. After going through an inspection station to ensure that the unit is free of any scratches or marks, a technician labels the unit and then loads it onto a cart, which is then scanned for transport to the manufacturing floor. Quaker takes great care to make sure that each detail of the glass handling process is carefully considered, using the latest in innovation and design to make sure every window we produce is another great example of what makes the Quaker difference.